You probably saw it already because I was showing my edges. But that girl getting married. What is up, you guys? I am back. It's been a minute. Excuse my edges, y'all, because I'm just getting home. I kind of didn't really want to do nothing. Wash days tomorrow, so why do something now about it? You probably saw it already because I was showing my edges. But that girl getting married. Yes, your girl is marrying her best friend. It's coming up soon. I'm thinking about doing like a little series of kind of like the process, because it's kind of going to be a quick process, not too fast but not slow either, if you get what I'm saying. If you feel me, you feel me. I've looked on Pinterest, I've looked on YouTube for different things to get my girls for their bridesmaid proposal boxes. So I went everywhere pretty much. Got some stuff from Michael's, tried Amazon. Y'all, Amazon tried to play me, so no, I didn't use Amazon for this. I shipped all my stuff back because I was aggravated with them. So pretty much stuff from Walmart, Stage. It's not Stage anymore out here though. I forgot what it's called, but I still call it Stage. Stage, Wally World, Etsy, all of the above. So let me stop talking and we're gonna get into this video series, part number 1 of my wedding journey. So I'm not gonna ramble. It's not gonna be a long video or anything. Y'all probably will be able to see him later. We'll do like a little story time video because we've been knowing each other for the longest. It's been over 10 years. So yeah, so let's get into this bridal party proposal box. So I picked up these boxes from Michael's. They are so cute. I don't know if you can really see, but it's like the map of the world, and it's a little box. Now I chose these boxes because me, my fiance, and my friends, the ones that's in the wedding, we all like traveling in different ways. So I said this is a cute box with my color, because my colors right now is like sage, champagne, and a sand color with a pop of gold. So since they like to travel, they can always reuse this box. They can put their travel photos, pictures, have everything that they want as far as traveling, because I know that's something we all love to do. Since my color sage, I put that right, and I chose that color of the box, and that's my maid of honor, so she gets the kind of a bigger box. And I'm not posting this until after I send it to them. I'm waiting for 2 things. I'm waiting for a robe as well as some labels to put on top of the box that they can easily peel off. So that's what I'm waiting for, and I will show you guys that once it comes in. I don't know. Well, they shipped today, so I should get one either tomorrow or next week, and I should get the labels next week too. Now the second box, I'm not having a lot of people. It's not going to be a big wedding, so I'm having 3 girls in my wedding party. So the other 2 got this color box. It's the exact same. The world is more of a pinkish color because they didn't have like a champagne, beige, gold. So I said it's still matched with the sage. I think it really looks cute together. So I chose that box. It's the exact same thing, map of the world. It's just a little bit smaller. So now inside of my box, I don't know if you can see this, but I kind of decorated it right here. I just used some cardstock, some gold cardstock, and I'm gonna download and print out a template that says something like dealing with there's no one else in this world that I would rather, or I would ask but you. So I was gonna put that and then put will you be my bridesmaid on there. And I just picked up some little flowers with kind of like my colors that I want, so they can kind of go to see, they can kind of see more of, it's not really a traditional swatch, but it's kind of a swatch. So they know those two are my main colors. And I think that's it for the top. They have gold, and I got these from Michael's, all of these from Michael's. They were little packets. And she has the sage kind of aqua color on hers. I love this color, y'all. It's so pretty. But hers is, this box is heavy. Is this color. I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah. And I also got the paper to fill it from Michael's as well. Now, next I got these tumblers, which I love this marble looking tumbler. But I got the tumblers from Bed Bath & Beyond. They weren't open yet because of COVID and everything, so they do curbside, so I was able to pick those up. And then I got the labels from Etsy. I'll try to link everything down below, but they look really, really good. But all I did was stick it on. So that's what that looks like. And then I got 2 types of wine. I have this one's from Walmart. I really liked it because of the color. I never tried it, so hopefully it's okay. Hopefully they like it, but I like the color. Now I know pink Moscato, excuse me, that's my thing, and I know all of them like sweet, so I got them the Barefoot Bubbly Pink Moscato. I got both of these from, I said Walmart, but I actually got these from Winn-Dixie because they have a way better collection. I don't know if y'all have a Winn-Dixie by y'all, but yes, they have a way better selection, especially of like the 4-packs of wine. And then last but not least, I had a template I printed out from Etsy, and it has their name, and it says, "I cannot say I do without you. Will you be my bridesmaid? Love, Gabrielle." So that's on a candle, and I actually got these candles and they smell so good. They smell fresh. They're not strong because we all live in the South and we suffer with allergies, sinuses, and all that. So it's a fresh scent, and it's kind of my theme, white sage. So I wanted that in there too. And they were actually on sale. They were originally like, I want to say $15, but I got it for $6 or $7 from Stage. So that is it pretty much for my boxes. Oh, my maid of honor, she gets special privileges, so I know she's a Henny drinker, so I got her on, and she's also getting the robe. The robe is really cute. Let me see if I can look it up though, because I'm gonna show y'all when it comes in too, if I remember though. A sage color, and it's not gonna say bridesmaid on it. It's just gonna have her initial, which is T. And yeah, I'm gonna wrap that up and give that to them, and we will be on a roll with this wedding planning. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you're as excited as I am, and I will try to keep y'all updated because I know I have appointments set, and also I'm trying to lose some pounds. So I will catch you guys in the next video that I may do. Hopefully I gave you a few ideas if you're ever stuck on what to get your bridesmaids. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to your girl if you want more, and comment down below what's some things that you may have had or you thought about for your bridesmaid proposal. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.